What's up, everybody? My name is Mechanic Dave, and we're going to pick up the mini truck because there's a car show down at the American Legion down by where I live. So I already looked through it, and it's a bunch of American muscle. I love every car there. I think it needs a little bit of JDM. So that's what here we are. We're in the mini truck. Now we're heading from Sandown to Epping. Car show probably gets over in 30 minutes, but there's still gonna be people there. That's just when the raffle ends. I don't care about winning shit. I'm already winning. I got a mini truck. At the car show with the mini truck. I have the seats out so people can admire my engine, which has not been cleaned ever. But yeah, let's take a walk around. Big fat blower on it. What? That's the car from Starsky and Hutch. That's the Ford Torino. Like a 76, I think it was in the show. Even has the cop light on it. CB and everything. That's crazy. Ford 27 big block. And then the OJ Special. Just kidding, it's a different year. There's that famous V6 turbo. Incredible engineering. That's got a nice rumble to it. Oh my God, look at this PT Cruiser. Holy shit, hot rod alert.
Our first place winner, judges' decision for automobile is A16. A16.
The creamsicle. Two shifters. Weird. Look how low this thing is to the ground. Jeez. Coronet. He's pretty dope. There's the striped tomato. Thing's pretty awesome. There you go. I'd tell him to do a burnout, but I don't want to wreck his tires. I'm gonna sit in my seat. Oh, that's the supercharged one. I gotta get up and see this one. That is terrifying. 7. With the air cleaner sticking right out of the hood. That is mean. Look at that. That is incredible. The one I really want to do a burnout with. This is the one I'd probably want to own more than anything else. I mean, just look at those tires. That thing is crazy. Absolutely fucking insane. Do it again, I wasn't filming. Ooh, it smells like a Mustang too. I love the unburnt fuel smell. That's what makes every Mustang ever. There he goes. Totally kick ass. This one's pretty awesome. No idea what the hell it even is, and I really don't care because it's awesome. Is it running? Oh my god, it's running. That is quiet. Yeah, it is windy. Mr. Rat Rod Gasser. Not really a gasser, but still a rat rod. 54. That's cool.
They return every year. Another good thing, the Home Depot is gallon variety.
Torque thrust wheels.
Just $12. Healthy, happy.
Bump and exhaust.
So they're
Oh wow. There you fucking go. Yeah. That's what's up. Uh-oh, it's gonna run into people.
Amtrak is your call-up. Discovery. Planes, cabs, cars, the last bands, everything in
Thing's badass. Then we got what looks like a Mercury? I don't know. It's a wicked custom is what it is. Real exhaust in the back and then the fake dumps. Yeah, I get it. They're not legal, but who really cares about legality anymore? I sure don't. Neat ass moped.